She's following her dreams and inspiring others. I'm about to watch this man's baby. Oh my God, look at him. The man is a little old, so he brought my alleged baby back with a fitted cap. I'm not tripping. He cute, so it's all right. He could wear whatever. This is a first for both of us because I usually do pickups or deliveries. I spend all of 10 minutes in a Walmart or Target or Whole Foods. I realized in the beginning it's very expensive to go into the store. I spend like $50 every time. At one point, I spent like $900 a week in groceries. Now I got it down to like $600, $700 a month. I don't got no diaper on. Surprised my mom. I did lie to her and tell her that he wasn't with me. Mommy. Izzy, I can't sit in there again. And then I get in the car. Whatever. This is fun. Okay, we're good. You want some ice cream? You want to do ice cream Sundays before I send you back to Daddy's house? Everything is so much more expensive in the store. For instance, bags of chips are like $7. Shopping online, you can see all of the best deals. Shop weekly at Whole Foods, Target, and Walmart. Spend between $180 and $230 each week. About 2 weeks of the month, I really don't have to buy anything, but I still buy everything weekly just to ensure I stay on my schedule. How are we gonna season the salmon? I seasoned it with love and a little bit of crack. Don't worry, this man's child's not having any. I'm at my mama's house cooking for her before she gets off of work. Yeah, back to the menu stuff. I didn't say that. I make a menu, so that's another reason why I shop weekly, because I try to switch it up each week. Though I will say I did like 2 weeks of the same meals. I started school, and listen, who had time for that? Lucky I'm still feeding us. I made my salmon medium rare. My mother comes in late. She had to put it in the microwave. I'm like, it was buttery. Now it tastes like chicken, bro. I was eating salmon skin. This is the food and how it turned out. She said it was horrible and I shouldn't cook no more.
Yeah, okay.